Click on the drop-down list and select Create Collection. Come up with a name and ticker for your gift collection. Click the Create button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Check transaction status in Block Explorer. Click on the Continue button. Click on the AI Generated button. Click the AI Generation Image tick box and enter prompt to generate the image. Click on the Generate Content button. Click on the AI Generated button and enter prompt to generate a title and description. Click the AI Generated Titles and Descriptions tick box. Click on the Generate Content button. Enter the addresses of the recipients you want to give the gift. You can have more than one recipient. Click Add button. Add collateral in the form of tokens if you want. You can add several different tokens. Click Add button. Click on the Create Gifts button. Sign the transaction and set the required approval for the tokens in your wallet. Check transaction status in Block Explorer. Congratulations to you. You have sent your first gift.